Space is really cool. Obviously, everybody knows that. Possibly the best thing Nixon did was invest in this new, unheard of idea. We should put more people in space. So, after years of hard work and dedication, NASA created the first ever space shuttle, the Enterprise. Unfortunately, the Enterprise was never meant for actual space travel, but rather to test the flight capabilities of the new shuttle. Basically, the Enterprise took a piggyback ride on a commercial airplane, and then Geronimo'd back down to Earth, where it didn't land like the capsules in the Apollo, but it actually landed like a plane. But then, NASA created another shuttle, bigger and better than the first one. Well, it wasn't actually bigger, they were relatively the same size, but it was better. On April 12, 1981, the new Columbia shuttle launched for the first time, starting the era of the shuttle. NASA didn't stop there, they kept making more and more shuttles. Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, Endeavour, and with these shuttles, astronauts built the International Space Station, which is currently orbiting around the planet running experiments that probably prove that aliens are real. Hey, you get back in your cage. Okay, back to the topic at hand. But then we face a travesty. On January 28, 1986, the Challenger experiences an engine failure and causes the rocket to explode, killing all the crew members just a minute after takeoff. Then we need to rethink our options. What went wrong? What were the warning signs? How can we prevent this in the future? Well, for now, all flights are grounded until 1988 when the Discovery launches, the first launch after the Challenger incident. And in 1990, the Discovery deploys the Hubble Space Telescope, the first in-space telescope capable of taking pictures of deep space and celestial bodies that can't be seen from a ground telescope. However, the scientists didn't realize that a big oopsie-poopsie was made with the lens of the Hubble, and just a small 1.5mm thick opening on the side of the lens could cause the pictures to come back blurry. From here, we have to stop all other shuttle missions to focus on sending more shuttle missions to fix the Hubble telescope. But now that we see these pictures clearly, wouldn't you say that's a good use of taxpayer dollars? Along with these servicing missions, and the building of the ISS, we can more accurately study space. And look at this, with the shuttle program, we just plopped a guy into space, no tether or anything. These shuttles deployed satellites, tested new equipment, recovered other spacecrafts. And on June 1st, 2011, the Endeavour landed for the first time, the last landing program for the shuttle. A basic program that was only meant to last 15 years developed into an era of space travel that lasted 39 years, flew over 100 missions, and deployed some of the most important equipment to study what's beyond our atmosphere. Though everything combined cost over $196 billion, you gotta admit, it was pretty awesome.